Hi, in this video we are going to learn about the chamfer feature in PTC Creo parametrics. So usually chamfer is used to create or eliminate the sharp corners with the bevel corners or bevel edges. So let's see about that. So click on the chamfer, so you can see the chamfer command under the engineering tab. So click on here. So under the sets, select the edges or faces to create a chamfer. So it is a basic shape. So you can see that the sharp corners, sharp edges is eliminated by the bevel edges. So in chamfer we have furthermore types. So drop down here, you can see that number of types. The first one is D cross D. The distance from the selected edge to the sides are equal. And the next one is 45 cross D. So the angle from the first face to the second face is 45 degree and the distance is as you enter. The next one is D1 cross D2. You can enter the different various distance for the faces. So here I am entering 30 for the first face and 50 for the second face from the corner, from the chamfer edge. So after creating the chamfer, click on the check mark to accept this. So there is one more options. So under the sets we can create multiple edges for chamfers. So hold the control and select the edges, and if you want to add the different value for the chamfer for the different edges, go to the next set and under the reference select the multiple edges, and here you can enter the different value or maybe the different type of chamfer. So here you can see that under the set one I am selecting these edges having a D1 cross D2 type of chamfer, and after that I have created a new set for these two edges with the type of D cross D. So after creating the necessary chamfers, click on this. So this is called as edge chamfer. The next type is a corner chamfer. So drop down the chamfer, you can see that corner chamfer, and it is to create a chamfer feature on the selected corners. So under the placement, select the corners, and here you can enter the value for the three sides from the selected point. So enter your own value. And the next tool is creating a partial chamfer or creating a chamfer up to the reference. So for example, I am going to create a chamfer on this edge up to the midpoint of this edge, so that you have to create a reference. So I am going to create a point as a reference. So click on the point and select the edges, select on edge, and define the location of this point with the ratio. So here you can enter the ratio. So to place the point on this edge as the midpoint, I am going to enter 0.5. So the 0.5 indicates this point is located on the midpoint of this line. And click OK to accept this. Then go to the chamfer and select the edge. So go to the transition mode. So this is the transition mode. Click on here. Now select the face, and in it here drop down this and select the starboard reference. Now select the point that you have created. Now you can see that the chamfer is created from this face to the reference. Now click on the check mark. So these are all the types and procedure to create the types of chamfer. Thanks for watching.